Hi everyone! Today I'll be showing you how to debone chicken wings. I'll be using these wings for my next recipe. I'll show you how I debone this. We need to cut off this part. Like this, guys. And save this for another dish. Cut everything first. Yes. So now I'll show you how to debone these wings. First, we need to run a knife around the joints to cut the ligaments and tendons. See this? So let's run a knife on it. Hold it still, and the chicken as well, and then just run around the joints. Yeah, as you can see. Just run around it. Okay. I still have some ligaments. Just cut through it. When you see these bones here, put your pointy in and then your tongue. Using one hand will pull down the meat like this. Yeah, there you go. See? Just like that, guys. It will easily pull off. Look at that. And then when you're all the way down, break the joints like this. Yes, there you go. Can you see that? Yes, it's very satisfying after you've done this, guys. Trust me. Just need some strength. There you go. I deboned it. I deboned it. See, look at that. And here is my first. Look at that. See? It's so beautiful. Nice. So let's work on the next one. Next one, same procedure. Run your knife around it. Yeah. Making sure to cut all the ligaments and tendons that are attaching to the bone. There you go. And let's check. Now let's push the meat. Yeah, I can see it. Oh, there's more ligament here. There you go. Now I can see the bones now. I want to, oh, I'm sorry, there's more. Now I can see it. Grab this thing with your pinky and your thumb. One hand pushing the meat down. There you go. See how I grab it? Yes. And then when it's all the way down, just break the joint. There you go. There you go. Nice. I accidentally broke this part. It's okay. Let's cut it. There you go. So it's not so pointed. And then just push back the meat in with the skin intact. There you go. Just check. And there's a little bit. There's one more here. There you go. Now let's push. Now they're not touch. Push this. Push the meat down. And break the joint. Wow, this one is hard. And then let's cut this. It's into broke down. And then just push back the meat up, and I'm done deboning my chicken wings. So easy, guys, right? It just needs patience. I'm going to use these wings for my next recipe, so please watch out for it. Hope you like this video today, guys. Thanks for watching.